One, two, three. Good morning, Alex. How are you doing?
Good morning, sunshine.
That was totally synchronized to it.
Yep, go straight onto my phone, which I know I shouldn't do. There's already business. Get off your phone, Alexis. Let's go.
I'm also obsessed, sadly, with my phone because I live online.
Bet you guys didn't know I wear a retainer. I know.
I had a retainer for 8 years, and it's still not perfect.
Wash my face.
Taking care of yourself in the morning.
Oh my god. Ooh,
For
is
the
that a
day, of
pimple?
course.
Fuck. No. Okay, gonna put some stuff on it. Gonna ignore it. It's not there. You're gonna go away.
Awake. You want to do stuff, but sadly you're so depressed that you want to just relax.
Maybe it's because I'm stagnant in a megacity. The megacity. I feel weird in Tokyo. Like I haven't found my place here and my things to do and love. Beaches are too far away, and during the summer, it's 95 to 100 degrees outside every day. Maybe I'll appreciate it more when I'm able to be outside, because you can't even go to a park without sweating your balls off. I have a lot of things to respond to on my email, but I know in my heart I need to write in here first. It's making it hard to focus.
Keep dreaming. Dreams are very powerful.
I had some dreams last night. All my dreams are getting more and more vivid, and also more emotionally real. I felt your strength last week when you were in flow. Don't let that go. You're strong and capable and beautiful and enough. Stop rolling your eyes. You're the only one with the power to put yourself in that higher state of consciousness. You're about to put yourself on national television. Practice strength and do not hide your weaknesses.
Dream definition according to Zaya. Zaya was the high priestess from Isagilla in Babylon in the times of Nebuchadnezzar II. From 605 to 562 BCE. Zaya, my king, as you already know, there are vibrations and streams everywhere. Of different types and strengths. All of us are living in a pool of possibilities. To be there in the eternal now, living in the vast ocean of vibrations of cosmic and magical possibilities. It is comparable to a vast lake that itself contains many more lakes. There is this powerlessness against vibrations and streams, which also affect everyone. The purest ones of our people that scattered after the fall of our ancient kingdom intermixed with the lesser ones. By this they forgot about their hidden powers and blood. This is the story of Asgard before the fall. Watch the movie Thor Ragnarok. According to the Days, Armin Reese's books, there are at least 14 different frequency-based dimensions. 7 light and 7 dark dimensions. So yeah, of dreams. I will come to speak into you of dreams that are to come. Of strange things that will happen such that you rediscover yourselves. These dreams will discover you and you will discover them. You discover in your dreams that you have to discover more. Because there are different types of dreams. There are dreams that are in the world of sleepwalking. There are dreams that others bring to you and are thus from other people. Shared lucid dreams. There are dreams that are brought to you by animals, or your animal guides, shamanic journey. There are dreams that you bring to others. And there are also dreams that are borderless and are shared with the infinite. An idea can spread very fast, inception. Some dreams are just a mirror of what you experienced during the day. Processing your experiences. This is not really a dream, it is just a series of pictures and or visual video without deeper meaning. But if during the sleep state the inner body, astral body, separates from the actual body, physical body, then you have dreams. Says Saya. Then it is so that the inner body, that originated from the house of God, cannot carry the physical body all the time.
Sayada says that our experiences in this multiverse of possibilities is comparable to a lake containing itself many other lakes. This is comparable to a topological manifold in mathematics. Example of 2D-dimensional topological manifold according to Wikipedia. The circle as a two-dimensional manifold. After a line, the circle is the simplest example of a topological manifold. Topology ignores bending. So a small piece of a circle is treated exactly the same as a small piece of a line. In 3D space, our Earth, which has the form of a sphere, as an example, can be approximated by two-dimensional maps. The hollow Earth is the most stable form of a topological manifold in mathematics. A torus. Another type of topological manifold that combines both real elements of our world and fictitious elements from our fantasy world is our movie and gaming industry. It approximates the real world combined with elements of fantasy and science fiction. But what is real and what is unreal? The real world is full of magical elements and high technological elements that we see every day in our movies, books and series. In the thought-time continuum, in theory, anything is possible. End of lecture.
In the thought-time continuum, in theory, anything is possible. Well, this was our short lecture now on dreams and on the thought-time continuum. Now back to Alexis Ren.
It's time for some yoga. I know it's the last thing you want to do right now, but...
The cities that I liked the most for temperature and climate was San Francisco, Berlin in Germany, and of course Tenerife, the Canary Islands.
Every day is different, and today I really don't want to be on my mat. But I know it's when I need it most. Currently, Alexis thinks that the phone is more important than her well-being.
Alexis tweets, in the name of love. Stop.
That's not yoga. Get off your phone. Okay, yep, thank you.
Alex responds, "You have to drive safe. We all follow the rules to avoid accidents. Of course, who cares about the rules if there is a zombie apocalypse? The University of Leicester actually did a study of it. Makes you wonder if they are not actually planning it for us."
And
I think a lot about you.
Here is a part of my latest video response to you.
why is
Hope
this
you
harder
enjoy it,
than
Alexis.
usual?
Love you.
Life is too short not to say hi to that dog.
German Shepherds are one of my favorite dog breeds. If from a good lineage without overbreeding, they can be excellent guard dogs and could potentially kill any intruder. So if you need canine protection, then get 4 of these.
Okay. Third time's a
But I
charm.
feel like I'm
Kiss,
talking to your
not.
subconscious mind or something.
Okay,
It's
you
really
need
like
support.
synchronized, like not like we're talking to each other but not real. You know?
I mean, definitely breathe. You need to breathe. It's yoga. A miracle.
The Weimaraner was originally bred for hunting in the 19th century in Germany.
If you thought the headstand was the hard part, you're wrong. What's hard is the 15 minutes of silence.
The Weimaraner were used for royalty hunting for deer, boars and bears. They were kept for the Weimar court.
Control your mind, or it controls you. Did I put the laundry in the dryer? No. Silence. Breathe in.
15 minutes of silence, yeah.
Out.
Oh, it's so difficult. So freaking difficult, really. You're in the shower.
I have to actually go to the airport in a little bit. And I'll probably be editing this on the plane. I never know if all my clothes are going to fit in a suitcase. I just hope and I pray. Come on, get in there. Go. Zip all the way. I can do it. I believe in you. Yes.
Dogs are wonderful, loving animals. You can get more affection from dogs than from most friends and family members.
Good morning, sunshine.
Just a great video.
I never know if all my clothes are
Great video response. Maybe I'll talk about it a little bit. I traveled also. I moved like 20 times in my life, or 25 times. I don't know how many times. And I made a book, or a review book, in 95, 94 in San Francisco. Always traveling at age 11, yeah. It's really great. It was totally nice. Cheers.
Good morning, sunshine.